New report is shining light on big changes needed in the department that's supposed to protect one of our state's most vulnerable populations, adults with disabilities in need of long-term care. Here's ABC 15's Jamie Warren.
We had no idea this person was pregnant.
After the shocking discovery of a disabled woman impregnated at Hacienda Healthcare,
it was a big motivator.
The Arizona Developmental Disabilities Planning Council spent nearly a year researching and putting together this newly released report on how to improve Arizona's adult protective services.
How do you know that they're going to be taken care of in a way that is that they deserve?
Sarah Roof says the group, made up of volunteers appointed by the governor, found the number of calls to APS has tripled in the last decade. There were over 4,000 abuse investigations in 2018, but it's unclear how many of those were sexual abuse.
Breaking that out would be helpful for people to realize, hey, we have a really big problem with this specific type of abuse.
The report also says a gap in communication between law enforcement and APS means it could take months for a caregiver convicted of abuse to be placed on an online registry that tracks them.
Someone may not even be on the registry, but they have had a pattern of abuse. You can see where the confusion comes in.
Also in this report, the council calls on APS to investigate cases where patients are emotionally abused. Roof says if there's a pattern, it's a criminal offense, but APS doesn't look into it.
Currently, some people call and they're told, we don't investigate those types of cases.
These issues important for every family looking to hire a caregiver for their loved one and wanting to keep them safe.
You get into your 80s and your 90s, this is going to be something every family is going to have to deal with.
Jamie Warren, ABC 15 Arizona.
Today, a meeting was held with more than 150 people from around our state who are helping develop an action plan to improve the adult protective services system. A spokesperson says they will consider the recommendations in this report. That plan is expected to be released mid-February.